Hello students, in today's video we will go through a new chapter, that is using Excel as a database. In this chapter I will show you how to create a form in MS Excel, entering a data using a form, adding new records in a form, searching a record and deleting a record. Let me open a Excel sheet. You all know that Excel sheet, it consists of rows and columns. We call this as a row and this as a column. You can also consider column as a field and row as a record. Now, column contain only one type of data. Say, if I am talking about column number A, it contains only roll number. Column number B, it contains only the name of the students. When I am talking about the row, it is known as a record and it displays the record of a particular individual. Suppose when I am talking about roll number 1, it will display one complete record of roll number 1. And this box contains field name, roll number, name, English, Hindi, Maths, SST. We call this as a field name. Now let us go to the quick access toolbar. Now if you see here, kindly follow the mouse pointer properly. So we call this as a quick access toolbar, and this whole buttons we call it as a ribbon. Now if you want to bring the quick access toolbar above the ribbon, you need to click on this drop down arrow. From the list, click on show above the ribbon. So if you click on show above the ribbon, you will see the quick access toolbar has appeared above the ribbon. Now if you want to bring this quick access toolbar below the ribbon, click on this drop down arrow and click on show below the ribbon. So in this way, either you can move the quick access toolbar above the ribbon or below the ribbon. Now how to create a form, because in MS Excel 2007 you will not get a form in a quick access toolbar. So to find the form, you need to follow a particular steps. First, you need to go to office button. We call this as a office button. Click on office button. Go and click on Excel option button. So click on Excel option button. Now this is a customize tab. So click on customize tab, and from this drop down menu you need to go and click on commands not in the ribbon, because I want a particular command or option that is not in the quick access toolbar. So click on commands not in the ribbon. So from this list you need to add a form in quick access toolbar. So form starts from F. So let me go to F section. So this is a form. Now click on form and click on add. So you see the form has appeared here. So in the quick access toolbar you will get save, undo, redo and form. Let me shift it at this position. See, this is a quick access toolbar. In this quick access toolbar you will see only 3 buttons, that is save button, undo and redo. So now I have added it in the quick access toolbar. You will get it here. So click on OK button. So click on OK button. Now we will see the form has appeared in the quick access toolbar. So this button is known as a form. Now let me enter the records using a form. So first I will click on this particular cell that contains a record. Now I will go to the form. This dialog box is known as a form. So a form is a dialog box that provides an easy way to enter or display a complete row of information or a record. Now, why I wanted to use a form to enter the data? Because what you all do is, sometimes most of the students, they directly enter the roll number first, 1 2 3 4 in this way, then they enter the name of the students, then marks of the English as a whole. So what the form will do is, form will help you to enter one record at a time. Means it will enter the records of roll number 1, after that roll number 2, in this way. So it has a text box to enter the data in fields. So all these are called a text box. So you can enter the data in a text box, and it also contains the command buttons here to manipulate the data in a database. Now let me enter the new records. So for that you need to click on new button here. Now suppose say roll number 2. If you want to move within the text box, either you can directly click the mouse button, or you can press tab key from the keyboard. Let me enter the marks. Now as I click on new, you will see that the record of roll number 2 will be entered in the database in an Excel worksheet. So click on new, see the new record has been inserted. So in this way you can enter the new record by typing the records and clicking on new option. Now let me go to a form that contain a complete list of students from roll number 1 to roll number 10. So let me work on this database. Now see, if you want to move within the database, you can either click on find previous or find next button. So right now we are in roll number, that is the record of roll number 1. So if you want to find next, you can directly click here in find next. See, in the form the record get changes in this way: roll number 3, roll number 4, record of roll number 5. So if you want to go to the, or if you want to find the previous record, click on find previous. In this way you can move within the database, either to find the previous record or to get the next record. Now from the whole list, if you want to search a record of a particular individual, at that case you need to use a criteria option. So here you will see a criteria option. So click on criteria option. Now you need to type the roll number or the name that you want to search for the particular record. Suppose say from the list I want to search for the record of roll number 8. You can simply type 8 in roll number place, or you can also write the name of the students and press the enter key from the keyboard. Now see, it will show you the records of the students that has a roll number 8. So in this way you can use a criteria and you can search the record from the list. Suppose say you want to delete a particular record, so you can go through the find previous or find next button. Say suppose I want to delete the record of roll number 7. You can click on delete button here. You will get one message box asking for the confirmation before deleting, whether you want to delete the record or not. Now you will see this is the record of roll number 7. So if I click on OK, you will see the record of roll number has been deleted from here. So whichever record you want to delete it, you can move within these two buttons, that is find previous and find next, and you can delete the record. Suppose say I want to delete the record of roll number 4. So go and click on delete button. Again it will ask for your confirmation. Click on OK. You will see the record of roll number 4 will get deleted from here. And finally you can close the button. So in this video I have showed you how to create the form, how to enter the record using the form, how to use the find previous and find next buttons using criteria button for searching the records and deleting the record using a form. So I hope you have understood it. Now I want all of you to practice it at home. Thank you, children.